Net evolution and improvement is something we're 100% dedicated to, and there are some exciting ideas and innovations already in use on one New Zealand vessel, offering a promising glimpse of the future. Using net-mounted cameras, this state-of-the-art technology can identify fish going into the net, giving real-time data of exactly what's in there. And using smart sensors attached to the net, we can receive information on its performance in live time, allowing us to spot issues and make adjustments to its configuration on the go.